Hey guys, Dan here, and welcome to the full technical demo of Click and Bank. Now, what you're going to see here is what will be your actual user experience. There'll be no BS. This is exactly what you will see and what the experience you will have as soon as you purchase. So the first thing you need to do is you log in to the software here. You log into Click and Bank. So we just click the login. And then as a brand new user, the very first thing you get is you get the process to set up your website. And of course, this is really incredibly simple. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give my site a name. So I'm going to call it my example fitness site. And we need to give it a subdomain name as well. So this is just basically the address that you're going to use to access the site. You can use your own domain as well if you want. I'll show you how to do that in a sec, but when you're just first setting up the site, you do need to enter a subdomain name. So it's going to be my example fitness site. And we also enter our ClickBank ID, so it would be my ClickBank ID, whatever yours is. And then we select the niche, and this one's fitness, so we're going to select health and fitness. And then we create the website, and that's it. That is literally it. You are now done. As you can see, the site has now been created for you. We've got 49 posts. We've got 5 reviews. Now, one of the first things you might want to do is just check out the different content that's been sourced for you. So you can see what the default content sources are. So for this niche, the ones that we've set by default for you are these 5 different ones related to this niche. But you can delete any of those. So for example, if I decided I didn't want this one here, I could delete that. And you can also add your own ones in. So you can add literally basically any website. Most websites have an RSS feed, so any website that's got an RSS feed, you can add it in here as a content source. So you've got basically unlimited options. So yeah, sure, if you want to get started really quick, you can use our default ones, but if you want to use your own, so you can have this work about any topic in any niche whatsoever, you can do that. So let's just have a look at the post that is created for us. So you can see them all here. So these are posts that it's already posted, and these ones are all scheduled. You can see that they're all relevant to the niche we have chosen, and you can see that you can go in and edit them at any point. So you can go in, you can see all of the information about them. This is all fully editable. And you can change the title, you can change when it goes live, you can see where it's been sourced from. If we go back to posts here, you can also, if you want, delete some. So perhaps I didn't like this one, I didn't want this one to be posted, I could just select and delete it. Perhaps I didn't, maybe I want to delete all of these, I can do that. I could do that if I want. Delete them all, there we go, just like that. You can also create your own posts. So if you click here, you can create your own one completely with a full visual editor, add images, videos, whatever you want. It's kind of like having, basically your own completely done for you WordPress site, something like that. Now, of course, another thing that it does provide for you are reviews. And you can see that this is the review that's been generated for us and posted for us already. You can also see that we've got 4 that are scheduled to come up in the future. And as we mentioned, as new ClickBank products are added in your niche, we will do new reviews for you, and you will see them pop up in here on a regular basis. So again, these are all completely fully editable. If you want to, you can go in, edit any of this. You can change the time it goes live, you can change the title, you can change all of the text, or you can just leave it the same. Maybe you don't like the look at this one, maybe you don't think that you don't want to have this vegan one, you could delete that so it wouldn't be posted. Again, huge amount of control. You can also add ads and opt-ins here. So if you wanted to add some different banner ads or your opt-in form to your site, you can do that with this interface here. So I'll just show you an example of how that would work. So for example, if we wanted to add a image link, this is one I've already got saved. So we'll add this image in here and we'll send it to, this is the address, the affiliate link for it. And we'll send it to the sidebar and we'll save settings. and I'll just make that live. So just forgot to do that there. I can also add an opt-in form if I want. So if I click there, so I'll just copy and paste in some code from my autoresponder there. So that's all we need to do, and we'll choose where we want it to be. I'll choose it in the sidebar, and click Save Settings. Oh, I forgot to make that live. Just make that live there. So there we go. It's simple as that. To add as many banner ads or as opt-in forms as you want, you can put them wherever you want on the site. Something else I'll just point out, we can also add different pages to your site. So maybe you wanted to add, I don't know, a contact page, contact. We just put a slug in here for the URL, and then you could have all your contact info or whatever you want. It's a completely visual editor, so you can put in images, videos, whatever you want. You can create unlimited pages. So yeah, you've got full control over this. You'll see hopefully how this works in a bit once I preview the site live. I'm just talking you through all the different things that you can do first. Something else that you should want to have a look at is all the little design options. So you might, for example, want to add a logo. So we make that really simple for you. So all you need to do is, so that you just enter the URL of your logo. So we've entered that in there. And well, I'll tell you what, let's just save this and have a look how it looks to begin by default. So if we just have a look at View Live. And there we go. Look at that. How amazing is that? Literally, with, well, how long have I been on this video? And remember, this is me talking through all the different features, giving lots of explanations. Within just a few seconds, I've created a full site, banner ad, opt-in form, loads of great content, ClickBank reviews, all these posts, all designed and created for me, original content. It's really, really fantastic. But if I just head back to the site settings here, I just want to give you some sort of idea about how much power you've got to redesign this if you want. So we've got various themes here. So I'll try that retro one. And perhaps instead of having all these posts one underneath each other, I might decide to have, I don't know, let's try this one first, then to grid. So let's just change those and have a look at it. I mean, there's loads and loads and loads of different design options. There's fonts, there's colors, loads of different things, but just to quickly show you how quickly you can change things. So bam, we've changed it just like that, and you can see here that we've got the posts being displayed in a different way. We could go back, maybe just make it one large. Maybe I wanted to make it look more like a blog, so I could hit this option here to show the entire content. I'll show you what that looks like. Oh, maybe we'll change the color as well. I'll try this color here. Maybe this blue. Maybe this one here. Okay, and then save settings. I mean, that's probably going to look awful, but just to give you some sort of idea. There we go. It's as quick as that. You can literally change your site to have it looking exactly how you want it. So many powerful options, so many. And I mean, we haven't even scratched the surface here. This is just literally showing you just a tiny fraction of the power of ClickBank. One thing I did mention is that you could do your own. You could use your own domain. Yes, you can. It's as simple as copying and pasting one of these two different code snippets. You can choose which one you want to use. You just paste it in the location you want. So on your domain. Bang, the entire site is, well, this whole thing that you've just created will then be hosted on your own domain. So you can do that too. And finally, just imagine if, I don't know, say you'd created this fitness site and decided that you didn't want to be in that niche anymore, that you wanted to try something else. How easy is it to change over and try a different one? I'll show you. It's literally as simple as going in thinking, oh, I'll try business and investing instead. Change my site title. Change the sub so we get a different address to access it. And then we just click Save Settings, and boom, just like that, our entire site is then being regenerated with different posts from the business and investing niche. Really ultra ultra smart, ultra easy to use, ultra powerful. That's what ClickBank's all about, and I just know you're going to love it.